All right, so today we are here at 27 Bay Park in South San Francisco, and today's a big day for our buyer Rakesh. We just closed on his home, and we are officially recorded with the city. So today's an exciting day for him. He's going to get the keys. He's actually on his way here, and we're going to be able to present him with his brand new home.
Yeah, it's interesting because I already live in Terrabay right now, but it's in a smaller home. And then I was just going for a walk, taking my dog for walks there, and then I saw that Bay Park was up for sale, and there was an open house. So one day she was visiting, and they said, "Hey, do you want to just go check out this new home nearby? It's a 5-minute walk for an open house. It'd be fun." With no expectations or anything really. So she said, "Sure." So we went there. Azam was there listing the home, and then we walked in, and I think as soon as we walked in, it was probably just like this instant feeling, right? It was a pretty special feeling. I don't know what it was, but it had like a very welcome home kind of feeling to it. And then we introduced ourselves to Azam, struck an immediate chord. We were there with her little boy Vion, who was like dancing and having a great time. Went and grabbed a bag of Cheetos.
He made the place his own, right?
Yeah, we toured the home. I saw the backyard, which I've always wanted for myself and for Kepler, my dog. So everything just sort of clicked and felt great. And in fact, earlier that day, my parents who have been staying with me for a little while visited and also had a great time. They got to meet Azam as well. So that relationship was struck right there, and then we immediately had a relationship with the home. And then when we expressed interest in moving forward with the buying process, Azam immediately connected us with Wesley, answered all of our questions, got everything. I mean, honestly, buying this home was almost easier than like getting a car. In some sense, couldn't ask for anything better. And then since then, the process has been continued. And we're having lunch now, and we're going to fix up the home, get it ready for selling, and I'm doing a few more upgrades until I move in on Friday, so I'm excited about it.
Yes. It has to be the backyard, because most of the houses, these days that we look at don't have a backyard. So the backyard's pretty open. It allows for both the boys, Kepler and Beyond, to hang out and play there. So I think that has to be my favorite part. Second, which I would say it's neck to neck, it's the kitchen. I think.
I thought you were going to say closet.
No, kitchen. I think they've done an amazing job. It's like, I feel like a state-of-the-art kitchen with all the nice upgrades they've put in. So that's my favorite part. And everything else, I think everything else just kind of fits right in. It's my favorite.